Well, welcome back everyone. Uh, Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the second coat of paint on the walking stick. I probably will video a little bit of it. Uh, don't know until I get going on it, I guess, how much I'm going to video. But I wanted to to make a comment. I buy my aspen sticks from a place out west, and they were kind of expensive just for a plain stick. But I just enjoy aspen so much. I think they're beautiful. They're super nice to work with. And you can stain them just about anything you want to. If you want to stain them pink, they would take it. But anyway, I got kind of a shock. I went and looked on the website where I buy these, and as you can tell, it's a beautiful day. I got the door to my shop open, so the traffic noise is going to interfere a little bit, but it's just so nice. It's too nice to have the door closed. Anyway, back to it. I looked on the internet and was thinking about ordering a couple more sticks, and I got a shock. Those sticks went up $10 a piece. Instead of a decent priced walking stick that I can sell for a decent price, it turns into a very expensive stick. And I don't know if I could actually get that price, that I would have to raise my prices by $10 at least. And then there's shipping on top of that, so it's just, I don't understand why it went up all of a sudden, boom, it's up $10. And I don't know, I don't think they're going to sell as many of them. Maybe I'm wrong, but it used to be the old price. They'd say they'd have 350 of them in stock, and it would only take about a week and they were all gone. Now they say they've got 300 in stock, and that's been for two months. That was a cell phone. And that was just 2 months ago, so they haven't sold a lot of them. So maybe the price, maybe they'll lower it again. Who knows? I doubt it. But anyway, I just wanted to say that it's hard for me to afford to buy those sticks, and then I know the people that buy my sticks are not real wealthy either, so they to kick it up $10-15 a stick is might be just too much. So I'm trying to find another place to get aspen, but I haven't found any yet. Just haven't found any. I can get 4-foot sticks, but that's only 48 inches tall, and it'd be all right for a child, but not for a grown-up. So anyway, just wanted to tell you about that, and just I can't wrap my mind around why it jumps up $5 or $10 in an instant. So what I'll do, I'll get the camera set up, get the paints out, and we'll do another short thing of painting them. Like I said, I probably won't video it all because you already know how I do it. So thank you for listening to me. I have to say, I've had the hardest time covering this stick. Some of the paints just didn't seem like they wanted to cover for some reason, and it's unusual. The yellow, the orange, and the white were terrible. I had to cover them 3 times, and I don't understand. And even the orange is still not. So I don't know if my paint is old or what. Just horrible time. Like I said, I had to do it 3 times to finally get it done. And I got the second coat of polyurethane on it. I used gloss on it this time. Next thing I'm going to do is put the grip on it. And I'm going to put that in black, I believe. I'm going to use the heavier leather to make the grip just a little bit bigger. So, and then I believe I am going to use some tacks on it to make it just a little bit fancier. So I will get back to you when I get that all set and ready to go. Alrighty, see you then. And as you know, I've been telling you that the aspen sticks are getting almost out of reach for me to buy and to do. It's just, I guess it's a big thing of what I can sell them for and what I feel like I should be able to sell them for. I just, when you jump something $10 and just a heartbeat, that's hard to pass on to the customer. So I will probably be able to buy 1 stick maybe every month, and we'll see if it'll sell. But I'm just basically I'm just at my wit's end why they went up like that. Okay, as you can see, I've already got it drilled in, glued in. So all I need to do is start going, and I'm going with the 2mm leather. Make sure to kind of keep it nice and straight. This will make the grip just a little bit bigger. Well, at the very end, I got it done, but at the very end, the way I finish it, I have the stick flipped around here and there, and there was just no way I could get the camera positioned that many times and get it done. But I cut it at a real deep angle on the last and glue it in, and so it's all done. The top is put into a drilled hole, and what I do now is I take a very excuse me, a liquid, what they call a liquid, which is very thin super glue, and I go around the top coil and the bottom coil, with super glue and super glue the whole thing in. And that's it for the grip. I think that turned out really good. I like the 2mm, which also makes it a little faster when you're putting this on. A 1mm, you're really spinning this thing a lot of times. So, but I think it looks good with the 2mm on. So the next thing is to get the tacks measured out and get them put on. So we'll see you then. Hey everyone, what I'm going to do now is I am going to put explain, my door's open in my shop. Gorgeous day outside, so the traffic noise is going to be with us. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put tacks in 3 spots above, below the colored grooves. I've already done the top one because they're upright and had to do it that way. The other ones I'll get the camera set and I will do them. But what I'm doing is I have a 1/32 inch drill bit in here, and I take and I drill it just a 1/16 to an 1/8 inch deep. That way I can just take the tack, push it in, and instead of trying to hold it and drive it in something round that is sitting in your lap. I don't know how many people have done anything with tacks, but to hold them you need actually a special needle nose pliers to hold them and hit them. So what I do is I just do a 1/32, push the end in it a little bit, and then I can hammer it in all the way. All right, well, let me get the camera set up and we'll get going. Okay, I'm going to do them in my lap so it has a soft spot to pound against. All right, and there it is. I think it looks pretty good with the tacks in there. I do like the look. All I got to do now, the only thing left, is to put a nice waxed coating on top of it, and that's it. That'll be done. Seemed like it took quite a while to figure out what I was going to do with it. It's not the fanciest one I've ever done, but I really like the way it came out. With the bigger 2mm leather round. That really helped make the grip a little bit bigger on that. So I guess that's it for this one. The next one will be another Aspen walking stick. I definitely have no clue what I'm going to do with that one, but I guess we'll figure it out as we go. So thank you all for being with me and watching me. I really want to thank all the new subscribers and the good old standbys that watch me week after week. Well, I guess every 2 weeks now. And it's a little easier on me. I can tell without having to do a video every single week. It was getting just a little bit too much for other things that I had to do, that I needed to do. And it's a lot of fun now to sit out here and do this. And like I said, I think earlier in this video, I have other things that I'm going to kind of incorporate, not long, maybe 5 minutes worth or something like that, into some other ones, and carving pendants, excuse me, and some more pyrography, and I still have one egg left, and I'm really have no clue what I want to do with that one, but I'm going to include all that in my upcoming videos. I hope you guys will stick around and watch that stuff too, because I just I love the differences between pyrography, carving eggs, and doing walking sticks. Walking sticks was my first love, but I really enjoy the other one too. So hang in there with me, people. Appreciate it. Love y'all. Bye bye. And remember, grab your cane, your hiking stick, your walking stick, whatever you use, and get out there, because nature is beautiful.